How to get Robux from Sweatcoins. First, log into your Sweatcoins and go to shop here. And in the shop, you can find no option to buy Robux or convert your Sweatcoins into Robux. There is no direct or any offers or any way to get Robux from your Sweatcoins. You just can purchase a gift card here. From here, you just need to scroll down a little and you will find this gift card that you can purchase from your sweet coins. You can convert your sweet coins into this gift card. For example, this $15 gift card, you can purchase this for 2000 sweet coins. If you have enough coins, then you can purchase this gift card and you can use this gift card in Steam or Amazon. For the Robux, you can buy Robux gift card or Roblox gift card from Amazon. By this gift card, then you can use that gift card in Roblox for Robux. That's how you can get Robux from Sweatcoins. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.